Have you considered doing YouTube Shorts? Have you been wondering what the secret formula is to going viral? I encourage you to keep watching. What is up, everybody? My name is Brad J. Success, and I'm happy to have you here. After careful research and consideration, I found the algorithm's go viral recipe for growth promotion is...
Brad, are you really going to share it now?
Yes, Nikki. Are you ready?
I'm ready, yo.
Here we go.
Yeah,
The videos with the most engagement, views, and audience retention within the first couple hours of an upload earns the most impressions by the platform, which begets more views, and the cycle continues to the next block of time, and on and on and on. Therefore, it is uber important for your subscribers to turn on notifications.
Brad, I do not ask my subscribers to turn on notifications because I don't want to bother their busy day with my video uploads.
Well, Nikki, do not worry, because if you are consistently uploading on the same day of week at the same time of day, your subscribers are already expecting to see your weekly premiere, and they are probably waiting for you. Sometimes they just need a little reminder, and if they are too busy, the notification will remain in their history and they will watch your video later. For example, if 100 people were notified of your upload and at least a third of them watch at least a third of your video within the first few hours, YouTube will then push out your video to another 100 impressions, and so on and so on and so on. This cycle continues over and over until viewership and retention is dropped. If your videos is receiving very high audience retention, over 50%, YouTube will push out your video to viewers even outside your niche in attempts to pick up new potential interested subscribers. The algorithm is working for you, but for that to happen, you have to get a lot of engagement, views, and audience retention during these blocks of times. But how do we get more engagement, views, and retention, especially during the first couple hours of an upload? I'm gonna cover this in the video right now. Naturally, if you have tens of thousands of subscribers, you will get more views in the first couple hours of an upload. I have been experiencing sort of a 10-100 rule where for every 100 subscribers, I get 10 views in the first couple hours of my new upload. Sort of a 10% rule.
Brad, that doesn't seem like very many. Wait a minute. I don't think I get that many views for my videos either.
Yes, Nikki, for us small YouTubers, let's face the music. 10 views is not gonna get us to go viral.
I'd say, what are we gonna do about it?
We have to create our own buzz. We have to manufacture a manual algorithm, if you will. What can we do immediately after uploading a new video is to promote our videos across all of our social media accounts. Send text messages to our friends and family. This can work if your videos are geared towards the masses of interest like comedy, music, random facts, current events, product reviews, and reaction. If you post very specific type videos that does not appeal to the masses, maybe this method of blasting everyone on social media will not work for you, as people will just not be interested in your product. Instead, if you post videos about unpopular and very specific niches, you can spin it in a different way, like asking for friends on social media for feedback. Every button on your video counts towards engagement. This includes shares, comments, likes, and even dislikes. To get more, just ask your subscribers during your video. You can ask them to comment about something that you're covering in your video, or when your video is coming to an end, ask them to share your video. You have to look at your analytics and personal goals to determine what you need your call to action to be. What do you not want to do is to give a laundry list to your viewers to subscribe, turn on notifications, share, like, visit my blog, join my email list, donate to my Patreon, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, Super Chat, add me to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Discord, Twitter, Snapchat, Reddit.
Why not, Brad? That's exactly what I've been doing.
Would that not all be just too overwhelming to say, Nikki? And the expectation seems so high.
I guess so, but I think that's how I'm gonna keep doing it. That's what I've been doing, and my subscribers don't mind either.
Instead, think about where your channel is right now. Are you working on getting more subscribers? Getting more people to click on the link at the top of your description to follow your blog or email list? Or maybe getting more watch hours by asking them to watch your #1 playlists? Audience retention is a measurement of how many people are still watching your video during your video playback. It also shows you when viewers stop watching. Knowing when viewers' interest is sustained or when they stop watching your videos can give you insights into areas of your videos that are working well, as well as opportunities for improvement according to Google. Guys and gals, in other words, to max out audience retention, you have to keep viewers engaged on your videos. Some of the things that have worked for me is creating shorter videos or just knowing what my audience hot buttons are. For certain topics within your niche, you can make a long 8+ minute video and easily get 60 to 80% audience retention.
That seems kind of high, Brad. Does all of your videos get over 50% audience retention? I don't know about that.
For my channel, those are videos about how to get more subscribers and views. I wish it were true about all of my videos, but that's okay too. For less popular topics, I am learning the hard way that it's best to keep those videos right around 5 minutes. While it's super important to double down on my niche by posting more and more videos about getting subscribers and views, it is also important, I feel, for my viewers to cover other topics to serve the smaller percentage of my audience by answering their questions and building brand loyalty. If this is also the case for you, try making a YouTube Shorts teaser that links to the full video in the end card. When you are uploading the full video, make sure to turn off Publish to Subscriptions feed and Notify Subscribers under License and Distribution section, as you do not want your current subscribers to be notified of the full video. They would have already received the notification of the Shorts or teaser version, and if they're really into the topic, they would have clicked on the link to see your full video. If not, keep doubling down on your niche and focusing on the majority of your subscribers and what they are looking for. You will pick up a lot of watch hours and maintain a high audience retention across all of your videos on your channel. For more powerful growth tips, tap the card on your screen now or look for the link in the description to check out my #1 playlist on the platform. Before you go, tap the subscribe button and share this video with someone who's looking to build a strong foundation for their channel. I love you and stay safe.